If you've ever used Google and thought, hey, thanks Google for saving me a click and providing the information right on the search results page, well then you know how convenient a Google snippet is. Now, as a small business owner with a website, a Google snippet can not only increase your website traffic, but it also provides you with an additional opportunity so that you can show up on that Google search results page twice. In this video, I'll explain what a Google snippet is, why they are important, and also walk you through a very quick and simple 10-second test that you can use to see if any of your information is showing up as a Google snippet today. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the seasoned marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. If you're running a small business in 2021 or 2022, you probably have a website. And if you have a website, your website visitors have more than likely landed on your page by either manually typing in your web address or by searching for you on Google. And the reason that I can confidently say that last part is because Google dominates when it comes to search engines. Knowing this and knowing how competitive it could be to get your business's website listed at the very top of these Google searches, well, you're going to want to give your small business every opportunity in order for you to get listed at the very top. And that is where a Google snippet comes into play. In order for me to best explain this, we're going to be focusing on three key terms in this section. Search engine results page. You'll often hear this referred to as SERP, featured snippet, and rich snippet. When you Google a search term, let's say Google snippet, the next page that pops up with the results from Google is what people call a SERP, also known as a search engine results page. If you're a small business owner with a website, you want to be ranked at the top of these results for any keywords or phrases that may be relevant to your business. But outside of just getting listed at the top of this page so that your potential customers or clients will consider clicking on your website link, Google now offers what they call a snippet. Now, a snippet is an enhanced Google listing, so it provides more information than just your website address. And there are two types of snippets, a featured snippet and a rich snippet. A featured snippet will appear at the top of the SERP pages, will answer a Googler's question, and is taken from organic results. For example, if you write a blog post about how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, this and this are the featured snippets that appear. They are being pulled directly from content that Google has found on the World Wide Web that answers a very specific question. A rich snippet, on the other hand, is an enhanced search result. It shows extra information besides just the URL in the description, like this. A rich snippet is different from a featured snippet because it requires us as website owners to add what they call structured data to our websites. Think of structured data as extra descriptive language that we can add to the coding of our websites that only search engines can read. I'm sure you get the gist at this point, but the biggest reason that Google snippets are important to you as a small business owner is because of the increased opportunity that it provides you in increasing your website traffic and in turn increasing your sales for products and services and also increasing your brand awareness. Outside of sitting down in front of your computer and trying to think of every single keyword, search, and term that you may appear for on Google, Google provides us with a really simple test that we can use to see if any of our information is currently showing up as a Google snippet. Y'all, this test is free and it literally takes less than 10 seconds. Here is the link, and let me show you how easy it is to run this test. As you may notice, I don't have any, zero, zip, zilch, Google snippets that appear as of today. And so that's a marketing initiative that I'm going to be adding for 2022. Let me know in the comments below if that's a video that you would like to see in the future, maybe some of the steps that I'm taking in order to get my information and content listed as a Google snippet. If you like this video, don't forget that every Monday I release a video just like this that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Also, don't forget that I have a website at www.theseasonedmarketer.com where I have a couple of freebies that you could go and download today. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll catch you guys next week, same time and place.